Great. So what you do is you start with a cross, and you remind the students that a cross is a little bit longer in the bottom. So you have a dot here, a dot here, and a dot here on those three crossings, and then one kind of halfway between this crossing and the bottom. Then you do your boxes. Your boxes are to the left of the line, and they are approximately 1 finger width wide. So you got boxes there, those two boxes. And then this box over here, you do these two dots, and then this one, instead of going there, you go over, and then you go over 2 lengths and 2 lengths up. And then this one over here, you kind of just go 1 dot like that. All right, so now we're ready to connect the dots. You do a fingertip here, down here, fingertip here, down here, a fingertip here. And then this one I tell them to kind of swoop it a little bit like this. Okay. Then we're ready to go up and down to connect those dots and over here. Then we go straight, 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 and then you can swoop up to there. All right. So now you've got the broad outline of India. After that, we put the Deccan Plateau in. You can kind of go like this. It looks a little bit like a shield. It goes along that lines and down to that line. You can put Sri Lanka in here. You can close off Bangladesh and then connect down here like that to that point, and then right over here you can connect up to that point. I also like to put the Arabian Peninsula in just so they have some idea about where that is right there from drawing the world. Okay, now we're ready to start labeling some stuff. You can go ahead and put your tall mountain range in there, which is the Himalayas. You can put in your little mountain ranges here, which is the Western and Eastern Ghats. There are 3 countries here which are kind of in India, sort of. You've got Bhutan here, and then just on the other side of Bangladesh, you put Nepal up like that. You can put your rivers in here coming out of these tall mountains. You've got the Indus River and the Ganges River, which comes out in Bangladesh. Sort of there. There are 4 cities. 1 city right below the Deccan Plateau right here. 1 city on the coast just below that line there. 1 city sort of at the top here, and 1 city right here on the coast right where the Ganges River comes out. I think I say there's 20 labels. We've got the Himalayas, China, and I tell them it's the Tibet part of China. We have Burma down here, which they also know as Myanmar. Bangladesh here. Bhutan. Nepal. Ganges River. Deccan Plateau. Okay, now we get to the fun part, which is the 4 major cities. I have them learn. There's a great mnemonic device. A robber walks into a store. Bang! The gun goes off. Bangalore. Everybody goes Mumbai. Then the robber goes to the Delhi. And we're in the Delhi next to the cold cuts. Kolkata. Over here we've got the Indus River, Pakistan, Iran. You can tell them this is the Arabian Peninsula. I do not have them label it. Afghanistan, the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and label the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. And now you've got a nice map of India.